The embarrassment of live videos. Identify the city wrong, try to come up with a fixed ratio and type in a number larger than Photoshop accepts. Hey, why not? I told you the aspect ratio on my monitor was 16 by 10. Why didn't I type in 16 by 10 when I wanted to use this rectangular marquee to make my selection? For you, your monitors are 16 by 9. So you could do it that way, or you can use the crop tool and get your size exactly right. The benefits of having the size exactly right, Option Command I, is we know 1800 pixels. We need to make scan lines. They're alternate black and white lines. So the black area is the same distance as the white area. So we know that our new document has to be an even number. What divides into 1800? 2 does 4? I don't know. Have to do a little. Well, 4 goes into 100, so yes, it goes into 1800. 6 goes in because 6 goes into 18. So let's say 6 pixels for this one. You need an even number that is evenly divisible into the height. Okay, that's how this works. So I'm going to have a new document, Command N, and the size, believe it or not, is 1 pixel by 6 pixels. And the resolution of this screen is 144. It really doesn't matter because we're establishing pixels, so the resolution isn't really playing a part in this image because it is not for print, it's for the web. So we're not even going to save the document. We're going to save this out as a pattern, so we don't even need to save this. Make sure the background color is white. You could do this black as well, but it's just easier with white. And there it is, right there. Command 0, and that's as big as this is going to get. Okay? And this is 6 pixels high. So what we need to do is make sure our foreground color is black. You can hit D for default colors. And then we're going to get the pencil, which is under the brush, and I have not looked, and I've not been to the pencil tool in forever. And then the size, how big is it? Well, right here, we want to make sure this is the minimum size. And I don't know why this is 1 pixel. That's a nice thing. Whatever size this came out, just make it 1 pixel. And make sure it's black. So I'm going to hit Escape. There we go. And then you can go click, click, click. And we have 3 white pixels. See? 1, 2, 3. And I can hit Option Command Z 1, 2, 3 times. So I can prove we have 3 black and 3 white. And then we're not going to save this file. We'll Edit. There it is. Define pattern. Thank goodness it was there. And we're going to define this pattern as, I don't know, 1 by 6 scan. And we'll go ahead and put the rest there. So that is now our new pattern, and we can close this. We're not even going to save it. We're not going to use it. And we're going to use it right here, right now. We're going to add a new layer. You can click this button or start getting used to the shortcut, Shift, Option, Command, N to get a brand new layer. And then we're going to fill. Remember, Shift, Delete, Edit, Fill. And the fake shortcut, Shift F5. But, Shift, Delete. The backspace key for your PC people. And we're not filling with the foreground color. We're not doing content aware. We're going to fill with a pattern. A pattern. Which pattern should we use? Well, click on this. We're not using this polka dot pattern, although you could. Hey, look right here. What's this? What is that? Is that our custom pattern that we just made? Ooh, Command 1. This is actual size. This is too small. I think we need to do, instead of 6 by 6, we'll do 12. But for right now, all you do is change this blending mode to either overlay or soft light. If memory serves, I did not test this. And we'll change it to overlay. And there's our scan lines, and we're getting a lot of static here where these lines are crossing. I'm going to do this again off screen and come back with a 12 by 12 where we have 6 black pixels, or 1 by 12 and 6 white ones, because I think that's going to work a lot better. I'll come back with the results of that because this isn't done. There's more to do.